Hey guys, I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber, and today I'm going to show you how to install the American Standard SpaLet Toilet Seat. I have one of these at home and I love it. You couldn't get me to get rid of it. I'm going to show you how to install it right now. Guys, if you've ever thought about getting a bidet toilet seat or a bidet toilet, this is a great way to try it out to see if it's something you like. Like I said, I have one of these at home on my toilet, and actually, I love it. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove the old toilet seat. And it's not very hard to do. Undo the clips on the back, get your screwdriver in there, and there's normally some wing nuts or lock nuts on the bottom, and just take them off. Okay guys, so taking the toilet seat off isn't very hard and doesn't take very much time. If you're actually just changing out your own toilet seat, it's really easy to do. Now, as you can see, I've unpacked everything and got it all laid out. Now, I set the seat to the side right now because I've got other things that I want to do. The first thing we're going to look at is how this thing mounts. So going through my parts, what I'm going to pull out is the mounting plate, the bushings, and the guides. That way I can go ahead and get the frame mounted that the seat will actually slide and lock onto. Now, these are very difficult to get in because the hole's so tight and this rubber gasket seals off in here so tight. So what I do is actually I put a little bit of duck butter on it. Any kind of lubricant will work, and then screw the nut or screw the screw in from the bottom, and then just kind of slowly pull it down in there. And as you can see, it's kind of difficult to do, but we are able to get it in there and get it in there tight. The thing I like about it is this is in there secure, and you're not ever going to have that seat vibrate or move around. Now I'm going to take the mounting bracket and the clips that go in it to keep it aligned. I'm going to set them down, line them up where I want, and get everything started. Once you get it started, you want to look at where your screw heads are in your bracket and make sure you get everything lined up. You want to make sure it's dead center. And then what you're going to do, you want to make sure that it's off this back wall just a bit, or off just a little bit. Now, before you tighten everything up, you want to pull your bidet seat over and line it up to make sure that it lines up properly on your bowl, and also that it has room to open and close freely. So right there, I'm touching the bowl just a little bit. So I want to go ahead, remove this, and move it forward just a little bit. Now I know that I moved it forward enough to work, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten these screws up so that it won't move around. Now once I have everything the way I want it there on the bracket, you literally take the seat, lay it down, line it up, and slide it back till it locks. Now for installation purposes, this is an elongated seat on a round front bowl, but in order for us to get it up here where you can see it, I just wanted to make sure you could see how the installation goes. Make sure you take your washer off and put it inside. It will go inside here so that it seals off the water connection into your fill valve. So you'll take off your supply line to your toilet, install the brass adapter on the bottom of your fill valve, and then hook your supply line back up to the bottom of it. You want to make sure that these joints are secure because these will actually drip if you don't have them on good. The last connection that you have is hooking up the water line to the seat, and actually it's a very simple connection. You plug it in, and with this neat little clip that American Standard has, you clip it on to lock it, and then you put the lock on it so it can't come undone. Now remember, before you put all this together, turn your angle stop off because that's going to kill the water to your toilet. Flush your toilet. When you take it apart, put a towel under here. That'll keep any water that comes out of your fill valve from ruining your floor. Once you put all this back together, make sure you get everything snug so it doesn't leak. Then you can turn on the water connection and make sure there are no leaks here. Very easy connection. This gets water to the seat. The seat actually has a heater built in it. The SpaLet toilet seat actually has a reservoir in it that actually heats the hot water. That way, whenever you sit on the toilet, you can rinse with preheated water. So guys, the SpaLet toilet seat is a very easy install. And with this remote control, it's fantastic. You can actually turn the water on and off for men, turn the water on and off for women. You can actually have your spray strength adjustment, your water temperature adjustment. There's a lot of things on this remote control that are really neat. Down on the end, you can actually even make it do the pulsating massage. Guys, I actually have this SpaLet toilet seat at home and I love it. I know it sounds crazy, but they really do work. If you like this or you think you might be interested in this, or even if you don't, let us know what you think by leaving us a comment down below. If you haven't done so yet, please click on the subscribe button. That way you see the videos that we put out to help educate you. My name's Roger Wakefield with Texas Green Plumbing, saving you money one drop at a time.